Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by taking control. Switch your camera to manual and choose RAW to retain detail. Next, mount a lens suited to the job and confirm stabilization settings match whether you're handheld or on a tripod. Then set white balance manually using a Kelvin value or a custom preset so colors stay consistent. Once done, set a base ISO low enough for clean images and we'll refine exposure with shutter and aperture next. Now you balance aperture, shutter, and ISO. Pick aperture for the look you want, then choose a shutter speed that freezes or shows motion. Raise ISO only as necessary, checking the histogram to avoid clipped highlights. Expose to the right slightly if you plan heavy editing. Use spot or evaluative metering based on subject contrast. Switch focus modes for static versus moving subjects, and enable focus peaking or magnification if you need pixel-level precision while composing. Finish by reviewing frames and verifying the histogram and highlight warnings. When satisfied, save your configuration as a custom preset to recall quickly. If lighting is complex, use exposure bracketing or add ND/grad filters to tame extremes. Make small iterative adjustments. A 1/3 to 1 stop change often fixes balance issues. If you still have trouble, check lens contacts and reset metering mode. This single troubleshooting step
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.